Peace, y'all. Welcome to today's Mathematics with your girl, Sunshine Monet L. Today is 8/16/8. You already know we're in the month of year 8. This is the month of year of transformation, death, and rebirth. We're talking about the 8th sphere in the Sephiros. This is the sphere of celestial technicians and labeling and classifications, as it being the sphere of Sebek, ruled by Mercury energy. This is also dealing with the Scorpius vibe of transformation, death, and rebirth. We're dealing with the 5th sphere in the tree of life, which is the celestial enforcers of what it is, those technicians, and where your Maya is, you know what I'm saying? So we're enforcing where we are on the spectrum with our Mayab. It also deals with Pluto, which is about occultism, about standing in your power, being confident and courageous and brave while you stand in your power. This is the external side of the solar plexus chakra. So this is the actual act of and manipulation with said enforcement of your internal law, your ambitions, your triggers, your angers, your motivations, all of those things. So we're going to take that 1 and 6, right? We have knowledge, and we're applying that knowledge to our health, wealth, daily routine equally. 6 deals with that Virgo energy of self-organization, being of service to self and others. 6 is in supreme mathematics, is that number of equality. So we're taking that knowledge on that realm of equality and where our moral and integral code is. 1 being that cardinal energy, that Ogun, that Aries vibe, that initiator, the gut that controls the mind. On the 2nd decan of the month, the 2nd decan being the decan of finding balance, harmony, and your endeavors, dealing with the 2s, which is Taurus energy of priorities and love and forgiveness and wealth and all that fun stuff. Self-worth and all that fun stuff is now being implemented into the things that we took the initiative on during the first week. Now we're starting to find more, first decan. Now we're starting to find more balance and harmony with our initiative energy in the first decan. So if you find yourself starting to organize yourself better, that is why. So we're taking that 1 and 6, now knowing that is why, and applying it to our daily routine and self-management. And we're bringing it to a 7. 7 deals with the Libra energy. This is making sure what's going on inside of your heart is being reflected on the outside and not the other way around. Libra energy also deals with interpersonal relationships, bonds, and contracts are in the forefront here. Just making sure that they're in a space of equality, right? This is a space of like filling in your heart where, keeping your heart as light as a feather is like in motion here with that Libra energy. So we have that 7, that number of God, and we're going to bring it to the month of 8. We're going to build and destroy with it. We're going to create transformations. We're going to put it in our solar plexus chakra. We're going to put it in our celestial technicians and classifications. We're going to put it in our 5th sphere of Hera Kahuti. We're going to put it in our root chakra, where Pluto is in Aquarius, Capricorn energy, providing transformations, revealing secrets that's going on in our social awareness, social justice through electronic communication and our infrastructure and authority, right? We're doing all that transformation happening there with that knowledge from that 7 energy. And we're going to bring ourselves to 1 and 5. This is knowledge and walking in the power of our truth with that knowledge, because that's what happens, right? When you build and destroy with what God gave you, right? So now you're going to take that and you're going to convert it into a 6. We're back into that equality, that health, wealth, the daily routine, right? 7 and 8 is 15 and brings us to a 6. And we're going to take that 6 and we're going to put it into the year of 8. This is the year of the wood dragon. This is the year of high highs, low lows. The goal is to be the homeostasis in the middle, to have the riches that you seek, right? Ashe. So yeah, today overall is a day of, I don't know why the math keeps leaving me. 6. We're going to put this into the 8 of transformations, and that's going to bring us to 14. 1 and 4, having knowledge and building with that said knowledge, that foundation of all things with the knowledge that we build today. That starts with us really paying attention on, organize ourselves, self-organization, self-management, equally like spreading ourselves across the board and on all that fun stuff. So let's talk about astronomical happenings. We started the day off with 85% waxing gibbous moon. Moon rising at 6:12 p.m. and setting at 1:56 a.m. We are in Capricorn with the mindset in that root chakra of infrastructure. We are in Sagittarius, the sidereal, and constellation in the 8th house of transformation, ruled by Capricorn energy. So we're really providing transformations to our root chakra, what's embedded in that, what our infrastructure is, who our authority is, and where our authority comes from, the different boundaries and discipline we have developed from the different challenges we've received in our life is undergoing that transformation, and insight on that transformations today. Ashe. Sunrise at 6:12 a.m. and setting at 7:54 p.m. The moon and cause Borealis are at minimal angle at 3:25 a.m. The moon is 3.6 degrees south-southeast. Conjunction at 2 a.m. with the moon being 3.7 degrees south. Observe at 1:35 a.m. with a 3.7 degrees south separation. The North Pole of the Moon is tipped into view at 3:45 a.m. Deneb al-Jodi is opposite the Sun at 4:51 p.m., the best visibility of the year. The Moon and Al-Balda are in conjunction at 3:45 p.m., with the Moon being 7.2 degrees south. And Pallas enters the Scorpius constellation at 11:30 p.m., so Pallas rules over the genius-like qualities that you overlook in yourself. Scorpius is going to put you in a place of empowerment, a throne. Pay attention to the different thrones that you actually qualify to sit on, but you don't allow yourself because you keep overlooking your gifts. Eros enters the Virgo constellation at 7:30 p.m. So that love and desire to be in self-organization, to serve other people is coming underway. And that's what I got for you today, my cosmic nobodies. Peace, peace.